Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to blur background in Google Photos. So firstly I will show you how to do this on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. Because the path to these features is slightly different on different platforms. So, on your iPhone, open Google Photos, then you need to select picture, what you wanna edit. Let's say I wanna edit this picture. Click at the edit, firstly click at the picture, then click edit. And you need to go to the tools. And right here we have blur, so click on it, then select the point, and right here we have adjust blur intensity. So just move it to the right to increase it, or to the left to lower it. It's up to you. Let's say I want a maximum, and then click done. Then save. And you have two options, save as copy or just normal save. So if you want to have original and edited photo, just save it as copy. If you don't want to keep original in your storage, just click save. So I select save to the copy, and right here, and we have two photos here. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Google Photos, then you need to select photo, what you wanna edit. Let's work with the same photo, what we used on iOS. Click edit at the middle bottom, and then you need to go to the actions. Scroll to the left, and you need to find portrait blur. Click on it. Now set the point, and now we can adjust blur intensity. So to increase it, you need to move the slider to the left and to lower it to the right. After that, click at the check mark and save. And we just did it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!